Hi students, good afternoon everybody. So we are seeing our supplementary lesson Life of Pi by Jan Martel. So already we have completed nearly half of the lesson. Now let us continue. So let us have a small sum up of what we have seen in the previous class. So already we have seen that Pi is the name of a person who was caught in the mid of the sea, and Richard Parker is the name of the tiger which is in the lifeboat along with Pi. And what is the one more animal which is in the lifeboat? There is a hyena in the lifeboat. Okay, so they were in the sea almost for 227 days. Okay, so now Pi is in an hungry thirst for water. Okay, so he feels of drinking water. He thinks that hyena is lesser in power compared to the tiger because tiger is more powerful than hyena. Okay, so actually he is in a thirst for water. He wants to drink water at any cost. His actual search is for drinking some fresh water. Okay, so why he says that hyena is not attacking him is because hyena feels that there is a powerful animal than itself, that is tiger. Okay, and so he thinks that tiger is just calm, that is Richard Parker is just calm there. So because of two reasons, one might be sedation or seasickness. So it might be given some sedative drugs so that it might be calm, or it might be suffering from seasickness. So these are the two explanations given by Pai Patel that why tiger is very calm and quiet in the lifeboat. Okay. So anyhow, at last he had only one interesting question, that is his interest was only in the water. He was not bothered about any other thing. So this shows that he was in a dire need for water. Okay, now let us continue. I took stock of the lifeboat. It was 3.5 feet deep, 8 feet wide, and 26 feet long exactly. Okay, so according to him, the lifeboat is 3.5 feet deep in depth, 8 feet in width, and 26 feet in length. I know because it was printed on one of the side benches in black letters. So how he knows the measurement of the lifeboat is because it was printed in black letters in one side of the benches. See, you can see. So here in benches, see all these places for sitting. Okay, so all this they call as benches here, right? So it also said that the lifeboat was designed to accommodate a maximum of 32 people. Okay, so and also what was printed there is the lifeboat was designed in such a way that it can accommodate. So accommodate means occupy. So it can occupy how many people? It can occupy maximum of 32 people. So wouldn't that have been merry sharing it with so many? So merry means happiness. Happiness we can say cheerfulness. Okay, so wouldn't that have been merry sharing it with so many? So suppose if those many people, that is maximum 32 people, are sharing the lifeboat, it will be really a very cheerful experience. Who is thinking like that? Pi is thinking like that because it is designed to occupy 32 people. So it will be definitely cheerful. It will be a happy journey. It will be very cheerful if 32 people are sailing in that lifeboat. Instead, we were 3 and it was awfully crowded. Okay, so but instead, now how many were sailing in that lifeboat? Only 3. Who are the 3? Hyena, Richard Parker, and Pai Patel. Okay, so but instead of 32 members, how many are there? Only 3 are there, and it was awfully crowded. Awfully crowded means badly crowded. That is, it is not with a good crowd because it can occupy 32, and now there are only 3 out of 32. Right? Okay. Now let us go for the next paragraph. It seems orange is the color of survival because the whole inside of the boat and the tarpaulin and the life jackets and the life buoy and the oars and the most every other significant object aboard was orange. Even the plastic headless whistles were orange. Right, so what Pai Patel says is, it seems orange is the color of survival. So, all of you know what is meant by survival. Okay, so survival oda color it is looking like orange because the whole inside of the boat. Okay, so all the things inside the boat and the inside of the boat and the boat oda inside and the tarpaulin and the life jacket. So the color of the tarpaulin and the color of the life jacket and the life buoy and the oars and most every other significant means important object aboard was orange. So aboard means that is on the boat, on the lifeboat was orange. Okay, even the plastic headless whistles were orange. So headless whistles means, so what is the purpose of keeping whistles in the boat is they'll be whistling if they are seeing any other ship or something like that. Okay, so according to Pai Patel, the color of the survival is orange because everything looks in orange color. That is the tarpaulin inside of the boat, life jackets, oars, and the whistle, even the whistle, everything is looking in orange color. The words Simpson and Panama were printed on each side of the bow in stark black Roman capitals. I didn't grasp all these details and many more right away. They came to my notice with time and a result of necessity. I'd be in the direst of dire straits, facing a bleak future, when some small thing, some detail, would transform itself and appear in my mind in a new light. Right. The words Simpson and Panama. So, the words Simpson and Panama were printed on each side of the bow in stark black Roman capital. So, they were printed in that, side of the lifeboat in dark black color in the Roman capital letters. That is Roman capitals, in the Roman capital letters. Each side of the bow. So, here bow means in both the ends of the lifeboat. Okay, and many more. Sorry, I did not grasp all these details and many more right away. Okay, and also some other details were there. So he was not in the necessity of looking all those things. Why? Because he needs water. They came to my notice with time and a result of necessity. Okay, so just he had noted it with time and as a result of necessity. So that thing he thought as important at that time. I would be in the direst of dire straits. Okay, so what is mean by direst of dire strait means he was in a bad or a very difficult situation, very difficult circumstance, in a very difficult situation or bad situation, facing a bleak future because his future is very bad. When some small thing, some detail would transform itself and appear in my mind in a new light, because he was in a very bad situation. He don't know where he is. He doesn't have any water to drink, and also he is living with 2 wild animals. Okay, and he don't know what is going to happen, and his future is very bleak. It is very bad. He don't know whether he'll be alive within a few days or even at the next hour. And so in this situation, when some small thing or small detail, or a chinna information or a small detail would transform itself and appear in my mind in a new light. So even if he sees some small information, or even if he gets some small detail of living or something like that, that is something in positive manner, so it will be appearing in his mind as a very bright thing or a very great thing in this world. Okay, next, it would no longer be the small thing it was before, but the most important thing in the world, the thing that would save my life. This happened time and again. How true it is that necessity is the mother of invention. How very true, right? So it would no longer be the small thing it was before. Okay, so it might be a very smaller information or a small idea or small thought, something. Okay, it might be a small thing, but after he is getting such an information or detail, something like that, for Pi it will not be appearing as the smallest thing, but for him it will be appearing as the most important thing in the world. Okay, so for him it will be appearing as the most important thing in the world, the thing that would save my life. So for him it will be appearing as a detail which is going to save his life. This happened time and again. How true it is that necessity is the mother of invention. So there is a proverb, there is a quote that necessity is the mother of invention. So how very true it is. So at this moment he is recalling that necessity is the mother of invention is definitely a great thing. Why? Because he was searching for some details or something which is going to give him some hope for his survival, right? Let us go for the next paragraph. Right. And what if the supplies were at the bow beneath the tarpaulin? I turned and crawled back. I felt like a dried out lizard. I pushed down on the tarpaulin. It was tautly stretched. If I unrolled it, I would give myself access to what supplies might be stored below. But that meant creating an opening into Richard Parker's den, right? So, and what if the supplies were at the bow beneath the tarpaulin? So, beneath means below or under. Okay, so supplies means, so what here supplies means all the basic things like food and water. Okay, and what if the supplies were at the bow? That is in the corner. Bow means in the front part of the what is that, lifeboat? Okay, that is called as bow. Beneath the tarpaulin. So, and what if the supplies were at the bow beneath the tarpaulin? It means, suppose if there are any things beneath the tarpaulin in the bow, that is in the front part of the ship. He's guessing so. I turned and crawled back. So, he's turning and he's crawling back. So, you know what is mean by crawling. So, all the insects will crawl. Insects and reptiles will crawl. So like reptiles, like what is that, lizard and what else, something. Okay, all the reptiles will be crawling. So he is moving in that way. He's turned and crawled back. I felt like a dried out lizard. Okay, so you know what is mean by lizard. Okay, so he's feeling like a dried out lizard because he's in a dire thirst for water. I pushed down on the tarpaulin. So he is pushing down the tarpaulin. It was tautly stretched. So tautly means tightly. Okay, so it was tightly stretching. It means அது எப்படி சொல்றது, டைட்டாக இழுத்து கட்டியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, so what is mean by tarpaulin? Already I have told you, தார்பாய் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is called as tarpaulin. If I unrolled it, I would give myself access to what supplies might be stored below. So if I am unrolling it, unrolling means அதை நான் இப்படி மடிச்சேனா சுருட்டினேனா, I would give myself access to what supplies might be stored below. So I can find myself if there are any things, basic things and which might be stored below the tarpaulin. But that meant creating an opening into Richard Parker's den. Okay, so if he is unrolling the tarpaulin to find out if there are any supplies under the tarpaulin, அது எப்படி ஆயிடும் அப்படின்னா அங்கே ரிச்சர்ட் பார்க்கர் இஸ் ஸ்டேயிங் தேர். ஓகே, ஸோ அதுக்கு அது 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 வெளியில் வர்றதுக்கு நானே ஒரு ஓப்பனிங் க்ரியேட் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆகிடும். ஓகே, ஸோ தேர் வாஸ் நோ கொஸ்டின், thirst pushed me on. So even though he is having all such thoughts, he could not continue with the same thought because thirst pushed me on. He is in a he is feeling very thirsty. Okay, I unrolled it a little. So unrolled it here refers to the tarpaulin. So he is unrolling it a little. He is not completely unrolling. Immediately I was rewarded. So rewarded means awarded. Okay, so with what he might be awarded, according to him, what might be the greatest prize at that moment? Getting a sip of water. Okay, so I was rewarded. The bow was like the stern. Okay, the bow was like the stern. So already I told you what is mean by bow. Bow means the front part of the lifeboat. Stern means the back part. Okay, so the front part is like the back part of the lifeboat. It had an end bench, so it also ended with a bench, and upon it, just a few inches from the stem, a hasp glittered like a diamond. So what is mean by hasp is what we can say, like a latch, like a lock. தாழ்பால் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is latch. Okay, that is hasp. And upon it, just a few inches from the stem, a hasp glittered means shined like a diamond. So a hasp, that is a lock or a latch, is shining like a diamond. There was the outline of a lid. So there he can see something like a lid. You know what is mean by lid, right? My heart began to pound. So his heart began to pound. That is, he was very eager to find what it is. He is believing that, or he is expecting that there should be water to drink. I unrolled the tarpaulin further. So further he is unrolling the tarpaulin. I peeked under. So he is looking inside. Peeked means என்ன சொல்றது, எட்டி பார்க்கறது. That is peeked. Okay, so he is looking inside. That is under the tarpaulin. The lid was shaped like a rounded out triangle. So the shape of the lid was like a rounded out triangle, 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. So this was the measurement of the lid. At that moment, so at that time, I perceived an orange mass. Okay, so he's thinking that everything is looking like, he's having a perception. Okay, he's having a thought that everything is looking in an orange color. I jerked my head back. So immediately he is turning his head back side, that is upright. தலைய மேல தூக்கி பார்க்கறாரு. He jerked his head, but the orange was not moving and did not look right. Okay, so suddenly as he is looking under the tarpaulin, as everything is in orange color there. Okay, ஸோ என்னது எங்கேயுமே ஒரு வேளை ஆரஞ்சு கலரில் தான், வெதர் ஆரஞ்சு கலர் இஸ் ஃபில்ட் இன் ஆல் த பிளேசஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு தாட் அவருக்கு. ஸோ நம்மளே என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஸ்டேயிங் இன்சைட் யூர் ரூம் ஃபார் ரீடிங் ஆர் சம் அதர் பர்பஸ், ஓகே, ஃபார் அ வெரி லாங் ஹார்ஸ், ஓகே, சடன்லி வில் பி ஹேவிங் எ டவுட், ஒருவேளை நைட் ஆகிடுச்சோ அப்படின்னு. வாட் வில் பி டூயிங், வில் பி லுக்கிங் அவுட் த்ரூ த விண்டோ. Okay, whether the sky is still dark or bright. Okay, like that, as he is looking under the tarpaulin, as everything is looking orange color there, he has a sudden doubt that whether everything is orange even in the outer side. So just he is looking, turning his head upright, and he is finding, and he is seeing whether it is orange everywhere, but it is not so. Okay, it did not look right. I looked again. It was not a tiger, it was a life jacket. Okay, and also he is having a doubt that whether it was a tiger, but it was a life jacket. So what he is seeing there was a life jacket. It is also in orange color. There were a number of life jackets at the back of Richard Parker's den. Okay, so there was many life jackets under the Richard Parker's den. So den means the place where the tiger lives is called as den. You might have studied in your lower classes, right? A shiver went through my body. Between the life jackets, partially as if through some leaves, I had my first unambiguous, clear-headed glimpse of Richard Parker. Okay, so suddenly he is feeling a shiver in his body because between the life jackets, so among the life jackets and between the life jackets, partially he was able to see partially as it throws some leaves. எப்படி அந்த partially அந்த லைஃப் ஜாக்கெட்குள்ளே அந்த டைகரை பார்க்குறது எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, like seeing the tiger through some leaves. ஃபாரஸ்ட்டுக்குள்ளே if we are seeing behind some leaves, how it will be appearing. So அந்த மாதிரி the tiger is appearing there. Okay, as if through some leaves, I had my first unambiguous means clear. Okay, so clearly he was able to see clear-headed glimpse of Richard Parker. Glimpse means a glance, a look. Okay, look of the Richard Parker. It was his haunches I could see. So he was a haunch means the back portion. Okay, hind portion of an animal is called as haunch. Okay, so he was able to see the back part of his tawny, striped and simply enormous. So how it is looking? It is looking tawny. Tawny means like an orange brownish color or yellowish brown color. That is tawny. That is the color of the tiger. So it will be looking in the same color, right? Like an orange brown or yellowish brown. Okay, and striped. It is striped and simply enormous, and it is looking enormous, large. He was facing the stern, lying flat on his stomach. So he was facing, who was facing? Tiger was facing. It is looking at the stern side, that is the back part of the lifeboat, lying flat on his stomach. So அதோட வயிறு எப்படி இருக்கு? அதோட வயிறு கீழே, what is that? The boat மேலே it is the position of the tiger, how it is lying. Okay, it is lying on its stomach in the lifeboat. He was still except for the breathing motion of his sides. So he was Pai Patel could not see anything moving, anything in motion, that is in the movement, except his breathing motion. So even in our sleep, if someone is sleeping, so we will not be moving our legs or body, whatever it is. Okay, but just we can able to see the breathing motion. அந்த மூச்சு விடும்போது வயிறு மேலே போய் கீழே வருது, or chest part மேலே போய் கீழே வருது, that we can find. Is it or not? So likewise, he cannot see any movement on the tiger except the breathing movement. I blinked in disbelief at how close he was. So he was blinking in disbelief. Disbelief means that is he could not believe himself that he is seeing a tiger in such a closer view. He was right there, 2 feet beneath me. So he was there within how much distance? Just in a 2 feet distance. Under him, beneath him. Beneath whom? Beneath Pai Patel. Stretching, I could have pinched his bottom. Stretching na enna? Koncha etti. Okay, if he stretches his hand, he can pinch his bottom. So that much close he is to the tiger. And between us there was nothing but a thin tarpaulin, easily got round. Okay, and between Pai Patel and Richard Parker, nothing is there. The tiger is in a very short distance, in a reachable distance to him, and between them nothing is there except a thin tarpaulin. God preserve me. So preserve means save. Okay, God preserve me. No supplications was ever more passionate, yet more gently carried by the breath. Okay, so supplications means a request or prayer. Okay, so God, please save me. No prayer was ever more passionate, yet more gently carried by the breath. So, what is mean by passionate? Passion means interest. So, he can do nothing except praying to the God in that situation. I lay absolutely motionless. So he's lying absolutely without any movement. I had I had to have water. I brought my hand down and quietly undid the hasp. Okay, so undid means opened. So he wants some water. He wants to have some water. So I brought my hand down. So he is moving his hand down and quietly, so very calmly without making any noise, he is undid. Undid means opening the latch, that is the latch or the lock. I pulled on the lid. So he's pulling the lid. It opened in onto a locker. So after pulling it, it opened onto a locker. I looked down between my legs. So he is looking down. I thought I would faint for joy. So அந்த சந்தோஷத்தில் faint means becoming unconscious. Okay, மயக்கம் வர மாதிரி. Okay, so I thought I would faint for joy. So and the happiness, like he feel that he's feeling that he's going to be fainted because the open locker. So why he's having such a feeling is because the open locker glistened with the shiny new things. Because as he opened the locker, it glistened. Glistened means there is something shiny there. Okay, so it is he can see some shiny new things there. How the delight of the manufactured good, the man-made device, the created thing. Okay, delight means happy. Why? Because there is something, some manufactured good, man-made device. That moment of material revelation brought an intensity of pleasure, a heady mix of hope, surprise, disbelief, thrill, gratitude, all crushed into one, unequaled in my life by any Christmas, birthday, wedding, Diwali or other gift-giving occasion. I was positively giddy with happiness. Okay, so what happened is that moment of material revelation. So revelation means disclosure or disclosing something. Okay, revealing something, disclosing something. That moment of, so what is disclosed there? So definitely it might be so such an happy moment for Pai Patel means adavurku edu or happy moment arugum getting water to drink. Okay, brought an intensity of pleasure. Okay, he is having a mixed feeling of happiness, a heady mix of hope, confidence, surprise, disbelief. Disbelief means avarale namba mudiyala. He is not having confidence on himself on seeing such a happy sight. Thrill, gratitude. Gratitude means expressing thanks or appreciation. All crushed into one. So he is having all this mixed feelings, mixed emotions, unequaled in my life. So that happiness is not equal to anything in life during any during his Christmas celebration or birthday celebration or wedding celebration or Diwali celebration or other gift giving occasions, or at the times whether he had during the times when he had received some gifts from his friends. I was positively giddy with happiness. Okay, so he's seeing a sight there. So definitely it should be water. Okay, so that he is having a different feel in that time, in that situation. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் அவரோட லைஃப்பில் எப்போவுமே ஈக்குவல் பண்ணி சொல்ல முடியாது. ஈவன் டியூரிங் கிறிஸ்மஸ் செலிப்ரேஷன் ஆர் பர்த்டே, வெட்டிங், திவாலி ஆர் அதர் gift giving occasion. I was positively giddy with happiness. Okay, அப்படி என்ன he is feeling like அப்படியே சந்தோஷத்தில் மயக்கம் வர மாதிரி he is feeling, he is having such an happiness. My eyes immediately fell upon what I was looking for. Okay, so what he was looking for? He was looking for water. Whether in a bottle, a tin can or a carton, water is unmistakably packaged. Okay, so water is definitely packaged there, packed there. On this lifeboat, the wine of life was served in a pale golden cans that fit nicely in the hand. So in that lifeboat, how water was packed is, it was packed in a pale golden color cans. Okay, pale golden cans Actually, it is not, the water can is not made of gold, they're just laying the color. It is looking in a pale golden cans that fit nicely in the hand. So we can hold that can very comfortably in the hand. Drinking water, set the vintage label in black letters. Okay, so what is the label on that water can? Drinking water. So you can see in the picture also. See. Okay. So what is there? It is labeled as drinking water, right? Drinking water, set the vintage label in black letters. HP Foods Limited were the vintners. Who were the manufacturers? HP Foods Limited. Vintners means wine merchants. Okay, so vintage means the place where the wine is made. Okay. Vintners means the wine merchants were called as vintners. Okay. So they have made the drinking water can also were made by the vintners, and their name is HP Foods Limited. 500 ml were the content. So what is the capacity of that water can? Half liter, 500 ml. There were stacks of these cans, too many to count at a glance. So there were stacks. So many were piled there. Piled in arrange அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்கிறது. Okay. Many cans were stacked there and too many to count at a glance. Okay. So count பண்ண ஒரு glanceல count பண்ண முடியாத அளவு. There were many cans were there. At last he found water to drink. See, we can see in this picture, there are many water cans that could not be immediately counted at a glance. Okay. With a shaking hand, I reached down and picked one up. So, okay, so his hand is shivering in happiness. Okay, so with a shivering hand, shaking hand, I reached down and picked one of the water can. It was cool to the touch and heavy. So it is the can is very cool, and I shook it. So shook means shake, shook, shaken. Okay, I shook it. The bubble of air inside made a dull glub 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 sound. Okay, the bubble which is coming inside out of because of air, it made a sound like glub glub. I was about to be delivered from my hellish thirst. Okay, sorry, hellish thirst. Okay, so பயங்கரமான தாகத்திலிருந்து he was going to be relieved. My pulse raised at the thought. Okay, so his heartbeat increased at the thought. Thought na thinking. What thinking? Soon we are going to relieve from the thirst. சீக்கிரமா நம்ம தாகத்திலிருந்து வெளியில வர போறோம் அப்படிங்கிற thought had increased his pulse rate. I only had to open the can. I passed. Okay, how would I do that? So now he had got water. The only thing he had to do is he had to open the water can. Okay, I passed. So he is thinking. He is giving a pass and he is thinking how to open the water can. How would I do that? So how I am going to open the water can? I had a can. Surely I had a can opener. Okay, so in the water, so he is having a water can there. So definitely what should be there? There should be an opener. Okay, opener to open the bottle, open the water can. I looked in the locker. So he is looking in the locker whether there is any opener of the water can. There was a great quantity of things. Okay, in the locker there were he is able to find many things. I rummaged about. So what does mean by rummaged? Rummaged means searching untedily. Okay, suppose you will be arranging all your books and notebooks in the shelf. Okay, so immediately if you want to take some note, take a note or a book, what you will be doing? You will be rummaging. If you are in an emergency to take a note or a book, you will be searching it and something will be falling down, opening pages like that. எல்லாம் கலஞ்சு போயிடும் இல்லையா, ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக தேடுறது, ஹரிபரியில் தேடுறது. Okay, that is called as rummage. So he is rummaging the locker. I was losing patience. Okay, so he lost patience. Aching expectation had run its fruitful course. I had to drink now or I would die. Okay, so aching, painful expectation, because he is in a painful expectation to drink water. Okay, he had got water at last, but he could not open the bottle without the bottle opener. I could not find the desired instrument. So he could not find the expected instrument, that is to open the bottle. But there was no time for useless distress. Okay, but now there is no time to think about it. Action was needed, so he had to do something immediately to open the bottle. Could I prise it open with my fingernails? Okay, so shall I try to press? I think this word might be wrong here, I think so. It should be press, I think. Could I press it open with my fingernails? Okay, so he's trying to open it by pressing it through his fingernails. I tried, I could not. So he's trying with his fingernails, but he could not. My teeth. Okay, so he's trying to bite it with his teeth. It was not worth trying. Okay, so it is also not possible. I looked over the gunnel. So gunnel means upper edge of the side of a boat. You have to understand, imagine the meaning. Gunnel means upper edge of the side of the boat. So he is looking over the gunnel, the tarpaulin hooks. So what he is able to find? He was able to find the hooks which is attached to the lifeboat. The hooks of the tarpaulin which is attached to the lifeboat to stretch it. Okay. Short, blunt and solid. So how the hooks were? They were short, blunt and very strong, solid. I kneeled on the bench and leaned over, holding the can with both my hands. Where is it? Okay. I sharply brought it up against a hook. Okay, so holding the can in both of his hands, he is trying to open it with the hook. A good dint. Okay, dint means அது ஒரு என்ன சொல்கிறது, அந்த hook is like there is a hollow in that hook. அதை வச்சு அதில் குத்துனா it might be opening or it might be making a hole at least. Okay, so he is trying like that. I did it again. Okay, again he is trying to do it. Another dint next to the first. So he is trying again. By dint of dinting, so he is trying again and again to open it. I managed the trick. So he is repeating the same. A pearl of water appeared. So finally, ஒரு முத்து மாதிரி ஒரு water drop is appearing. A pearl of water appeared. I licked it off. So he is licking that a single drop of water in his with the help of his tongue. I licked it off. I turned the can and banged the opposite side of the top against the hook to make another hole. So again he is hitting the opposite side of the can to the hook to make one more hole. I worked like a fiend. Fiend means like a ghost or like a demon or a devil or பேய் மாதிரி he is trying to open the bottle. I made a larger hole. So he is making the hole a larger. I sat back on the gunnel. I held the can up to my face. I opened my mouth. I tilted the can. So he is sitting back on the gunnel. I held the can up to my face. Okay, so he is holding the can in the drinking position. I opened my mouth. I tilted the can. So tilted na saachu kudikiradhu. Okay, he is tilting his can to drink water. My feelings can perhaps be imagined, but they can hardly be described. Okay, so we can just understand his feelings. What feelings? All these feelings. How he is opening the bottle, how he is hitting it in the hook of the tarpaulin. Okay, and how a single drop of water means a lot to him because he was in such a thirst for water. So a single drop of water means a loss. It means a lot for Pi. Okay, and he is making one more hole, and he is sitting comfortably, and he's tilting the can to his mouth to drink water. Okay, so we can just imagine the situation of Pai Patel rather than the description. So அதை நம்ம describe பண்ணுறதை விட we can just imagine the situation or the feeling of Pai as he had got water at last to drink. To the gurgling beat of my greedy throat, pure, delicious, beautiful, crystalline water flowed into my stream. Okay, so let us stop with this today. Okay, let me stop with this. He had at last got water to drink. Okay, so let us continue in the next class. Thank you.